So the piece we're currently working on is an interactive art installation with the centerpiece being a large ceramic marble run. And that marble run will eventually trigger a series of show sequences with sound that will be projected onto these ceramic plates, which Michael is adjusting the position of here. We set our goals high for this project with the intent of doing a lot of things that we had no knowledge of. We wanted the exhibit to run completely autonomously. We wanted to include projection mapping. We wanted to include LED pixel mapping. And we wanted to include show-specific sound effects. Here you can see Michael trying to solder together some of the LED strips, which is something that proved frustrating at times. These strips will be placed behind the plates on the projection wall, which will allow us to create splashes of color in sync with our show sequences. Here we are playing with different colors of oil pastels to see if we can get some kind of effect when we change the colors of the LEDs on the plates. You can see here that the dots are kind of dancing as the colors change. One of the challenging aspects of this project has been designing the software systems to make all of the technology work together. This program called Isadora manages all of our software integrations and essentially acts as the show flow gatekeeper. It dictates what happens when the show receives input from the audience member using a series of connected nodes. And it then sends a signal to the other primary piece of software that we're using called MadMapper. MadMapper handles the projection mapping as well as the LED pixel mapping. And of course, the last piece of the puzzle is the marble run. Here you can see the work that Michael has completed so far on the big run, and here you can see it for scale. And here's the first prototype run, which was built for testing purposes.
It worked!
And finally here, we are testing the IR brake beam sensors that will eventually trigger the different show sequences when the marble runs past it. We are using a Raspberry Pi to send that signal.
Hi, marbles. Here they go. And?
So that's the update on where we stand with this project. We only have a month left to finish, so when this brake beam sensor worked perfectly the first time we tested it, we were pretty excited.